Why does your scanner show the P2011 engine code? What does it mean? P2011 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner circuit open bank 2. This engine code indicates that the system controlling airflow to the engine cylinders on bank 2, which could be an open circuit, faulty wiring, or a malfunctioning intake manifold runner control IMRC solenoid. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty IMRC solenoid or actuator, wiring issues, vacuum line problems, IMRC butterfly valve plate issues, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi and Subaru models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.